Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD pair, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 29th to 2nd January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So here I have already opened the chart. Currently let's talk about the closing for Friday. So here we can see on Friday 1.22% positive move, 4533.99 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart here. So this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart you can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower and upper wick. Currently if I talk about stochastic RSI is at around 37, 38 for 47 level, which is indicating as a slight positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for indicators or RSI, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one day chart. So here this is a one day chart. Currently in this one day chart we can see a good support and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need not mark any levels. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Currently, if I talk about the closing, here 45.33 is the closing. Here the direct support is 44.97 and direct resistance is 45.50. After direct support, there is a support of 44.50 and then 44.25. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4600 and then 46.50. So these are two important support zones and resistance zones which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. If you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I've also shared a discount coupon code as well, so you can get a discount on any challenges that you buy from that prop firm. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative closing in this range, that is 44.50 to 44.97. But if you're going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade once 44.50 gets breached on a 4-hour candle or a one-day candle. If this level gets breached, then you can go for a long till 4600. Overall, my expectations a bit negative for this week. What are your expectations for this week? Do let me in the comment section. Also, happy new year to everybody, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.